I have always told my customer, I have always told my buyer, if you want to see how good the market is, stand outside the building in night and see how many flats are let.
If I'm to sort of say that in a very few words, rapidly premiumizing market is what probably Thane is what is happening in Thane.
Today also I believe Thane's appreciation is much more than what Noida's appreciation might be.
तो ये बंदा आके फाइनली जब इसने क्लोज किया हिरनदानी एस्टेट में, हमने उसको जो घर दिया रेंट पे, he comes to the balcony, he takes a look and he says, this looks like something closer to my home in Singapore.
So in the near term, right, a buyer who is looking to buy today, what should he expect?
He should look at the hoardings and the newspaper ads.
Why do you say so? Welcome to another episode of Zapkey Openhouse. We have with us Prashant Puri of Destination Thane and Vinay Upponi of Intelligent.